7729 Parakeet. The paint doesn't look horrible in some places, but then like here it does. So let's go ahead and say repaint the fascia on the house. You have a little bit of weeds popping through here. Oh yeah, so blue house there. Some of the yards are more taken care of than others. That one has a lot of weeds. But so we have a security door. Two windows in here. Need blinds. Fireplace looks pretty good. I think that can, yeah, that's just dirt and stuff. Some lines are darker than others. Take this plastic film off. The light. They put one of our favorite lights in. Kitchen cabinets. Doesn't look like they did a great job painting them. They painted the hinges, so that's going to wear off over time, which is fine. Most important thing is we have the stone and the backsplash, gooseneck, and undermount sink. So we do have a lot of good things going for us here. There's a blind there. We just need to replace it. We need a fridge. This looks pretty dirty, but we may be able to get it cleaned. If not, I don't know if we can replace just the burner thingies and keep the stove. That's a property manager decision. I don't know if we want to get a deadbolt on here and remove this. It looks a little tacky. Again, that's a super easy thing to do. It's very dark in there. It's popcorn ceiling. Seal off the attic vent. Oh, the washer and dryer's in here. Okay. We don't need a locking handle on the pantry, but since it's already there, I guess we could leave it. So we're higher than this neighbor. There's a lot of mud here. I don't really want to track a lot of mud in the house. Ooh, super slippery. Okay, so we have some security bars on the back. Close that later. So we need some closet door guides and the closet things. Oh, there's some right there. We need a blind in here and some closet door guides and the closet circle things. We need a blind in here. Got mud all over my shoes now, so I don't want to walk on the carpet. We need a shower rod. That looks pretty good. I feel like we could do some finishing around here. Not sure what. Nice, nice, nice. Nice. So we need a vertical in here. There's already a TV mount. Oh. Just touch that up there because this is the master and you're going to see it every day. Touch this up. Either replace the medicine cabinet, remove it, or repaint that. Okay, so one vertical, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 regular windows. 2 verticals and 5 regular windows.